from HPC121 Kitchen Essentials. So today I will demonstrate the proper way of sharpening a knife using a whetstone. So these are the materials needed: chef's knife, sharpening tool, and a damp towel for stability. So first is ibabawad muna natin tong whetstone dito sa tubig para mawala yung mga bubbles niya. Then proceed tayo dito sa piece of bond paper, which is consists of 90-degree angle. Then hold lang natin siya para ma-achieve yung 45-degree angle. Another one is sa pang fold para ma-achieve yung 22.5-degree angle. Tapos kunin na natin itong whetstone. Place lang natin dito sa center para ma-achieve natin yung 22.5-degree angle. I position the knife at 22.5-degree angle. I apply a gentle pressure while sliding the blade forward. I make sure to sharpen both sides evenly. Now I will test the sharpness using a tomato. So this concludes my demonstration. Always observe a proper safety when you handling a knife. Thank you.